Alright guys, so I don't have a lot of storage left on this thing, and no battery I kind of have. So we're gonna fix up this thing. I don't know how much you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to fix it up. You know, it's not gonna be professional, but if you see it, it's not main frame damage. It's more like just a fender bent. But hopefully the neighbor's not gonna kill me. I mean, it's not that late, it's like 6-ish, but I try to be quick also, you know. That's gonna be loud, dude. A couple of more things, not sound crazy. Doesn't have to be that crazy, I guess. This one's gonna work better, I think. I'm gonna grab the punch also. But the only thing, I should do it the other way, huh? Because this way is flat, huh? And I never push it from the back, right? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, dude. Much better. Hope it just doesn't belong back. Sorta, dude. Much better. Okay. Pduh. Put it on. Maybe I could please buddy workshop owners or whatever, don't look at this, yo. Just rip some of these off. Might just fill that hole with Mondo also. It's not gonna be sharp. What I'm just gonna do with like all this shit on the road. I'm gonna put a hole in my tires or shit.
Okay.
Yeah. What you think, Yuli?
Looking good, man.
Looking good for what it is, right?
It's looking
Yes, sir.
a lot safer, man.
Yeah, that's why I said I don't think I can make this look nice. I mean, I wanted to, but
Wise words of you is looking a lot safer.
There you go.
you know, as we say, that work, safety first. I want to make it funny, dude. Like, so I got.
Okay, we're recording again, G. Dude, you gotta say it, bro.
Okay. Let's do it all three.
One,
Right, 3,
1, 2, 3.
2, 1. Me stupid. Peter will be calling me stupid with his baller with no dollar.
Take it as a compliment, okay, bro?
No, Peter, you gotta take it as a compliment with baller with no dollar. Peter's no baller with no dollar.
Alright, you in?
I think that's good, bro.